about racing. Project E. Finally, you show yourself. That's an FD. What's that? An H6.
What's going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to Project Zangetsu. So, unfortunately, we have another bummer video to upload. You won't believe it, but guess what? I got into another accident. And it's hard to tell as to whose fault it was. Because I got sideswiped by someone who was backing out of a body. So this is the damage, and what's really sad about this is that this, for maybe most of last year up until even this year, was the good side of the car. Because as you guys know, those of you that have been following from before this video will know that I was in an accident in the middle of last year, yesterday, where I got rear-ended by a taxi, which caused that damage to my quarter panel as well as my rear bumper. Fortunately, I do have a rear bumper to replace this one with, but now I have to replace the passenger front door as well as the passenger rear door, because they've suffered some damage because of that sideswipe. So the only fortunate part about all of this is that it does seem as though the body hasn't been damaged too much, because the door still opens and there doesn't seem to be any catching of the metal like on other panels and stuff like that. There doesn't seem to be any creaking, so at least we were lucky there. But there definitely is some structural damage. If you look at this here, for example, this part of the chassis is bent in, and something will have to be done about that. The scrapes on the bumper again don't matter because I do have another one that I can put on. But yeah, from a visual aesthetic point of view, it is quite frustrating. The point of impact definitely seems to either be coming from over here or over here, because in fact it's probably over here, because that's where the most amount of damage seems to be. So guys, that's gonna bring us to the end of the video for today. The most frustrating part about this is that I was sort of like on the road to getting this car back to being mechanically sound, so that I can now attack the visual aspects of the of the car, like, you know, for my own aesthetic enjoyment, and also just for the car to be a bit more presentable on the road as well. And then this happens, and I was also in the middle of actually moving to a new place because I've got 4 days off from the new job that I got. I'm no longer at MMO Electronics. That's a whole nother story for another video. But I basically rescued myself from a very toxic business environment. And then yes, I found ACT and things were looking a lot better. And I was basically making plans to move into a new space, and I was going to spend that month maybe preparing my finances for when I was going to start attacking the body. And now I've got 2 doors to replace. So as you can imagine, I'm not exactly the happiest right now, but I'm just happy that at least things seem to be mechanically sound. I'm not 100% sure about that because I still need to drive the car around a little bit to confirm and verify that, but it does seem to be driving around on its own okay. So we'll see what happens with that. Alright guys, well, that's gonna bring us to an unfortunate end to this gloomy video. But of course we keep rising and we keep doing what we can to keep things going. This is just gonna be another exercise in resilience and patience. So as usual guys, I have been Zangetsu Mahlangu, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please click on the thumbs up icon to give us a like, and if you'd like to see more from Project Zangetsu, please go ahead and click subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell icon so you are notified each and every time I drop new content on this here channel. And as usual people, take care of each other, stay awesome, and keep the dream alive. Peace.
Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once.